The Albuquerque District has done about $100 million worth of work, new construction work at Holloman over the last few years. That ranges from a few $1,000,000 to some paving job perhaps, up to about $60 million to the new med clinic, which we just had the ribbon cutting on a couple of months ago. We typically do 2 to 3 new major construction projects at Holloman every year.
Well, in the past 5 years, we've been bedding down the RPA mission, which is a remote piloted aircraft, which is the key support for the war on terrorism. We've built 2 hangars that went excellent, under budget and within schedule. Numerous remodels of existing buildings. In addition to that, we have the med clinic going on, which is a state-of-the-art in furnishings and equipment that is pretty impressive.
I think one of the things that makes the Corps of Engineers unique is that we're essentially a 26,000 person engineering firm. We have tremendous expertise in the Corps of Engineers, but in the Albuquerque District also, in engineering and contracting and project management. And we have well-established processes that we've followed for many years now, and allows us to build these facilities, build them right, provide the oversight and the quality that the Air Force is looking for, that will result in a facility that will probably last for the next 50 years. The other thing that makes us unique is we have what we call the resident office that is established on every base, but on Holloman also. We have a senior engineer in charge of that office, with other engineers and construction experts that work for that person, and they're right there on base, and so they can work directly with the base people. They establish personal relationships, frankly, that makes it very easy to work with them, and we're vested in the product too.
We have a very good partnership with the Air Force here. I worked with these people myself for more than 20 years, so we have a good rapport, and we have no problem communicating issues or concerns. We have direct, simple conversations that we meet their needs whenever we can. So we are very pro Air Force, pro customer. That's what we do.
Well, I know on the ongoing MilCon for the med clinic has been very challenging for the Corps, with the user requesting some major changes, but the Corps has been very responsive to the user and have dealt with their request, and it's gone smoothly.
Another thing that is unique to the Albuquerque District is that we have long-term relationships with not only the individuals at the base, but also at AFB, which is the Air Force Civil Engineering Center. They trust us. They turn this work over to us, and they know we're going to get it done. We're going to get it done right. All the major facilities that we build are always built to what's called LEED Silver, or LEED Silver level, and that's a measure of the sustainability features of the building, how green it is, if you will. Some buildings are built to LEED Gold, which is an even higher standard that's much more difficult to achieve, but we have done a few of those. The Med Clinic that I mentioned was recently awarded or selected for an award from the Air Force for excellence in design, and that award will be presented later this month at an Air Force conference, so we're very proud of that.